The questions are globally significant. How will we get the energy needed to power our economies? How can we make our day-to-day lives and society safer and more secure? And what can we do to preserve the environment for future generations? At Idaho National Laboratory, the search for answers fuels the passion and provides purpose for scientists, engineers, and support staff. Surrounded by scenic mountain ranges, the 890 square mile laboratory is powered by the energy of innovation, an energy in the hearts of our employees. Thanks to their tireless work and INL's distinctive capabilities and facilities, the lab has been a key global nuclear energy research center for decades. One of only 10 U.S. Department of Energy multi-program national laboratories, the lab has been called upon to extend and expand its nuclear science and technology leadership position and to carry out ever-broadening missions to ensure the nation's energy security, to enhance homeland and national security, and to enable long-term environmental sustainability. Our researchers work together, teaming with national and international governments, universities, industry, and other laboratories to research, develop, demonstrate, and deploy technologies that are literally transforming our world. Our people and support organizations are the foundation for our success. INL's long history of engineering and research has had an astonishing impact on our lives. An early example took place one cold December day in 1951, when nuclear power from one of the lab's reactors generated the world's first usable amount of electricity. Today, thanks to that watershed moment and the continuous innovation that followed, greenhouse gas-free nuclear energy powers the equivalent of 1 out of every 5 homes and businesses in the United States.
I'm proud of the lab's historic achievements. Our advancements in nuclear science and technology have laid the foundation for nuclear energy. And looking forward, the need for nuclear researchers is greater than ever.
As a nuclear engineer, it's great to work with experts with a strong history of innovation in advanced nuclear fuels research. Even more exciting is the opportunity to lead advanced fuels research for the future and create greater energy independence for America.
Today, INL Nuclear Research is extending the life of existing nuclear power plants, developing the next generation of nuclear reactors, developing nuclear power systems for space exploration, and solving challenges associated with a nuclear fuel cycle. INL's energy research programs have broadened beyond the lab's nuclear roots. We are protecting the nation's critical energy infrastructure, developing improved bioenergy processes, exploring more efficient means of generating hydrogen, and improving battery technologies and hybrid energy systems, and much more.
Working at INL, I'm solving real-world problems, like the movement of lithium ions through polymers. In other words, we're building a better and safer battery.
Here at INL, we are world leaders in assessing the life capability of prototype battery technologies for future automotive applications.
Our researchers all have unique capabilities, but they all share a common belief. The events of a single day at Idaho's lab can transform the world and secure our energy future. At Idaho National Laboratory, ongoing missions and new technologies play a vital role in protecting our way of life and saving lives both at home and abroad. For example, we supply the world-leading armor for the U.S. Army's Abrams battle tanks. We are proud of our long history of protecting the men and women who keep our country safe and free. INL provides support for homeland and national security. To protect our citizens, we develop sensor platforms and detection systems for determining the contents of suspicious containers, identifying potential weapons of mass destruction.
This INL design technology is used routinely by our armed forces to identify chemical and explosive munitions worldwide. This technology saves lives.
To protect the infrastructure that is vital to modern society, our Critical Infrastructure Test Range provides the nation with a full-scale test bed for developing and testing technologies to safeguard our nation's power, communications, and other key systems. And today, as our attention shifts from the physical world to the virtual world, INL cybersecurity teams are on the front line of the electronic battlefield.
When people talk about cybersecurity, they don't think of it as defending critical services like power and water, things we all depend upon. At INL, infrastructure protection is our mission and our focus. And that's why we can be thought of as the Silicon Valley of control system security.
Maintaining and improving the quality of life on our planet is a critical mission for INL researchers. Our talented scientists and engineers are thinking creatively to learn how we can harness the potential of nature's diversity to solve our most vexing environmental problems. From the hot pools of nearby Yellowstone National Park, INL teams are isolating enzymes that are capable of converting agricultural waste materials into high-value chemicals and bioenergy. Collaborating with the Center for Advanced Energy Studies, our researchers are applying their understanding of geological processes to address the challenges of global climate change.
Solving complex environmental problems is particularly rewarding, especially when we get to work with our university collaborators to turn carbon dioxide into solid rock.
At INL, we are putting our discoveries to work, sharing our breakthroughs with other researchers, scaling laboratory ideas into deployable solutions, and wherever possible, moving new technologies into the marketplace through industrial partnerships.
Nanomaterials are not difficult to make. The challenge comes in synthesizing nanomaterials reproducibly. Our precision nanoparticle process takes the chaos out of nanoparticle synthesis.
We're applying nanoparticles in real-world applications in places like Idaho to Bangladesh.
We're finding economic and environmentally friendly ways to treat wastewater, which improves industry and takes pressure off of other water sources.
On any given day here at Idaho National Laboratory, you'll find researchers in relentless pursuit of answers to the grand challenges of energy supply and use, national and homeland security, and environmental sustainability. No matter the challenge, this is the place. A place where passion and purpose drive us to take on globally important issues, to leverage our boundless energy of innovation, and to deliver enduring solutions. This is Idaho National Laboratory.